The best way forward was to look at the largest cost driver at the corporation, and that largest cost driver was legal costs.
The government says this year, legal fees at ICBC amounted to $700 million. And under the proposed system, most cases will be taken out of the courts. The province says premiums will go down by 20%, an average of $400 per driver. Those who buy optional third-party coverage will see the biggest savings, and the government says benefits will go way up. Care and treatment benefits will be 24 times higher, up at least $7.5 million. Wage loss coverage will be 60% higher than today. And there will be new benefits for students and caregivers to replace lump sum settlements awarded through lawsuits.
Fault matters. Still, it's not, you can't run into someone without consequences. Your rates will go up. If you are found criminally responsible or criminally negligent, you can be sued. So we're not taking the opportunity for claimants to sue. We're saying that in most instances, let's provide the care first. And this
lawyers certainly stand to lose under the new plan. Rather than using the courts, claimants will have to find recourse through the Civil Resolution Tribunal, the BC Ombudsperson, or a new ICBC Fairness Officer, yet to be appointed.
The narrative that the government wants is that it's legal costs that are driving the lack of financial viability at ICBC, when it's the way ICBC is treating British Columbians. If they were treated fairly, they wouldn't need lawyers.
The system is based on that used in Saskatchewan and Manitoba. It still needs to pass the legislature and wouldn't come into effect before May of next year.
And this looks like a government that is lurching from one solution to another.
It's an overhaul that could very well end up in the courts if it's challenged.
This will be challenged. I expect the components of it will be challenged on any number of constitutional arguments, but I can also tell you that this is a system that's in place and has been operating for many years in other provinces, has been challenged in those provinces and has withstood those challenges. And
it's a major change, but the government says major change is needed to fix the corporation that's been losing billions of dollars. And it says accident victims and ratepayers stand to benefit. Rafferty Baker, CBC News, Vancouver.